Hello and welcome to another Monty Miracle cleaning video. In this video I'm going to show you a few picture examples of concrete blockwork and flags being cleaned with the Monty Miracle outside surface cleaner. This patio area is a typical winter deterioration example and looks great after a simple Monty Miracle cleaning process. All the picture examples in this short video have been cleaned with the Monty Miracle cleaning solution. The cleaning process is simple. Any areas you want to clean and you have grass, plants, bushes, shrubberies touching or near to them, simply apply water from a garden hose pipe. This will feed any thirsty roots to allow you to apply the solution safely. After application, wet down again surrounding areas. Then keep surface moist by gently brushing treated areas with a soft nylon brush. This will allow for a more even clean. After between 6 and 10 minutes, wash your treated areas with a garden hose pipe to reveal your Monty clean. Not only does it look fantastic, it will become cleaner over the next few days and weeks. That just leaves me with thanking you for watching our short video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you would like any more information on our Monty cleaning solution, please visit montymiracle.co.uk. Thanks again, bye bye.